Is your bath giving you nightmares? It's time to make your dreams come true with the Yankee Home shower remodel. Transform your bathroom with a stunning new tub or shower in just one day, and at a price that fits your budget. Right now, with our Dream Bath Sale, you can take advantage of incredible savings. We're waiving your down payment and offering 50% off of the installation cost. With Yankee Home, you'll get unmatched quality and unbeatable value from a brand trusted in your neighborhood for over 15 years. There's never been a better time to start than now.
We understand the stress that comes with hiring a reliable contractor. I was once taken advantage of myself. When you work with Yankee Home, you can be sure that our 5-star Dream Team will treat you the way you deserve. It starts with listening. You tell us what you're looking for and we'll make your dream a reality. With experienced installers like Roberto and Alex, or Mario and his son Mario, who each install over 180 baths per year, you can be sure that your bath will be done right the first time. And we put our name on it with a lifetime warranty backed by a world-class service team led by Kian and Dennis, who's been with the team for over 10 years.
So let's make your dream a reality and take your bath from this to this in as little as one day. That's right, one day. And with our new Elite Collection options like Santorini, Horizon Beige, or Carbon Ash, you can easily create the stylish new space of your dreams. Or maybe safety is your concern. It's time to feel safe in the shower again with a tub-to-shower conversion that features customized safety accessories like grab bars or custom seating. You'll get a new shower without sacrificing style for safety. Best of all, your new shower will be easy to clean in minutes. So no more wasted time scrubbing tile or grout and no more stress over mold and mildew. Why wait any longer? It's time to say goodbye to your old bath and get your dream shower from Yankee Home.
Go to yankeehome.com or call the number on your screen now. Visit our showroom, now open at 120 Railroad Ave.